In this module, we are going to practice on removing wheel lug nuts, which are small but perform a really big job. Lug nuts are a small metal object used for fastening a wheel onto a vehicle. They come in different shapes and sizes according to the purpose and the type of vehicle and the wheel. Typically, lug nuts are found on the automobiles, trucks, lorries, cars and other large vehicles using rubber tires. Hence, it is essential to know how to remove them correctly. At the end of this exercise, you will be able to handle an air impact wrench, loosen and tighten wheel lug nuts, set the required torque.
Tools or instruments required. Trainees Toolkit 1 number. Air impact wrench 1 set. Torque wrench. Equipment required. Vehicle 1 number. Air compressor unit 1 number. Materials required. Cotton waste. Wheel nut. Before we move on to the procedure, let us refresh your memory on the basics. Lug nuts are the type of fastener used to secure your wheel and tire assembly to your vehicle. Having the correct lug nut ensures that your wheel is safely and securely installed. As I said before, they may be small, but they perform a really big job. It is where one end is rounded or tapered, though the exact shape varies. Lug nuts fasten a wheel's hub to threaded wheel studs on the vehicle's axle, securing the wheel in place and centering it properly on the axle. The lug is placed onto the wheel stud atop the wheel, with the lug seat in contact with the hub. Faulty lug nuts could cause the wheels to separate from the vehicle. The hexagonal nut is the most common type of lug nut. It features a hexagonal-shaped head that threads onto the wheel stud to secure the wheel in place. The particular size and model of lug nuts needed depends on the car model and the axle it uses. The correct lug nut seat depends on the wheel itself. Conical or tapered lug nuts are most common, but ball or radius and flat seat lugs are also in common use. The main tools you'll need to remove or to fix the lug nuts are a socket wrench and an air impact wrench. You need to keep in mind that correctly applying torque is critical to the proper removal and tightening of lugs without causing any damage. Now, let us move on to the procedure. Procedure. Park the vehicle on level ground. It is important to park the vehicle on a flat surface to ensure stability and safety while working on the wheels. Apply hand brake. Engage the hand brake to prevent the vehicle from moving while the wheels are being worked on. Close all the doors. Closing the doors ensures safety and prevents any accidental movement of the vehicle while working on the wheels. Put wheel choke to all the wheels. Wheel choke are wedges placed against the wheels to prevent them from rolling. They provide extra security and prevent the vehicle from moving during the wheel removal process. Remove the wheel cap. If your vehicle has wheel caps, remove them using a suitable tool to access the lug nuts. Check the air impact wrench is connected to the air lines. Ensure that the air impact wrench is properly connected to a compressed air source, such as an air compressor, via an air hose. This will provide the power needed for the wrench to operate. Select the correct size of socket or special socket for wheel lug nut. Choose a socket or a special socket designed to fit the size and shape of the wheel lug nuts on your vehicle. It should be able to withstand the sudden impact force produced by the impact wrench. A 6-point impact socket is recommended for better grip and reduced risk of damaging the lug nuts. Fit the socket on the air impact wrench. Attach the selected socket to the end of the air impact wrench securely. This will allow the wrench to engage with the lug nuts for loosening or tightening. Set the direction of spin forward or backward with the help of wrench lever. Use the wrench lever to set the desired direction of rotation for the impact wrench. This will determine whether the lug nuts will be loosened or tightened. Set the torque by turning the valve to increase or decrease. Adjust the torque setting on the impact wrench by turning the valve. The torque setting determines the amount of force applied by the wrench. Higher torque settings are typically used for tightening lug nuts, while lower settings are used for loosening them. Insert impact socket on the wheel lug nut. Place the socket onto the lug nut of the wheel that needs to be removed or replaced. Ensure a snug fit to prevent slipping and potential damage to the lug nut or socket. Trigger the switch of the impact wrench to loosen and remove the wheel lug nuts. Press the switch on the impact wrench to activate it. The wrench will then generate rapid rotational force, impacts, to loosen the lug nuts. Hold the wrench firmly and allow it to do the work. Repeat this step for each lug nut until they are all loosened. After removing all wheel nuts, place 1 or 2 nuts on the wheel ball to avoid slipping off the wheel while jacking up the vehicle for wheel removal. To ensure the safety of the vehicle and yourself, it's recommended to leave 1 or 2 lug nuts partially threaded onto the wheel bolts. This will help prevent the wheel from slipping off the bolts while the vehicle is being jacked up for wheel removal. Following these steps will guide you through the process of safely and effectively removing the wheels from a vehicle using an air impact wrench. Note: do not use an impact wrench to tighten the wheel lug nuts. Wear ear protection devices such as ear muffs and ear plugs. Wear safety glasses for eye protection. Apply a few drops of oil to the inlet of the air impact wrench before using. Ensure there is no air leakage on the line and adequate air pressure is available.
We have come to the end of this exercise. Let us have a recap on what we have learned in this module. We have learned to handle an air impact wrench, loosen and tighten wheel lug nuts, set the required torque. We have practiced removing wheel lug nuts. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.